Hey everyone, this is Alex with Elite Watch Co. We're on a mission to get to 100,000 followers by January 1st. When we get there, one of you guys are gonna win a $10,000 Rolex. Along the way, we are gonna be making fun, interesting videos, sharing cool facts about Rolex, watches in general. So if you're into watches, give us a like, comment, share. That's how you're gonna get entered into the drawing and hopefully take this baby home. Why is Rolex so expensive? Here's one point. They make the majority of their metals in-house. That means that they're casting everything in their own house, and they even have their own proprietary blend, especially for the rose gold. So if I am repairing a bracelet and I need to add metal to it, I cannot buy the metal. I have to take a Rolex part, a Rolex link, a Rolex bezel that is rose gold, melt it down into wire, and use that to build up any part of the bracelet. So nobody knows exactly what is in it, but if I were to just use regular rose gold, you would see a clear difference in this part of the link versus this part of the link that I added on. And that's just crazy to me because they have their own world of rose gold. They have their own world of stainless steel. It's 904L, it's denser, it takes more of a beating. It's truly just amazing. They've covered absolutely everything to make sure that these things are gonna last forever. That's one reason Rolex is Rolex. Thank you for watching. If you'd enjoyed this, please give us a like, comment, and a share. Have a great day.